Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert an audio to your video on Vimeo Editor. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to the video editor on Vimeo with the given video clip from your library. And next guys, you will see the timeline here with the video clip. And to insert an audio, let me just move the player to the beginning of this video, navigate to audio here. Now due to copyright reasons I can't insert any of these video clips for preview. But all you will need to do, guys, is, for example, drag them to your timeline here, release them on the audio track below the video track, and then let me just zoom out a bit. You may also adjust the length of it by using these handles here, so that it aligns with the length of your video clip, or you right-click into the audio, choose, for example, this splitting feature here to divide or to split the given audio track, to position it on your timeline so that it aligns with the duration of your video clip itself. And that's it guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.